Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. And today, we are going to get into some pork belly cinnamon rolls, bro.
Okay, pork belly cinnamon rolls. That sounds pretty good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what we're going to do first, we've already cleaned these up a little bit. So I'm just going to move that one to the side. Make sure you have a sharp knife, because you got to butterfly these, okay? So I'm just going to take it, and we're going to cut it down the middle. I use that little fat seam, so it'll be a fat seam right in the middle. Alright, so I don't want to go all the way through. So this is what you're going to do right here. Bam, alright, so let me get that just a little bit more. Alright, so that's one done. I don't want to bore you doing the other one, so I'll come back to you when it's time to get to the next step, okay? Alright, Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. We appreciate it. We appreciate all the support. We love y'all. Alright, we'll come back and show you the next step. Alright, so we're back. So the next step will be taking a cup of brown sugar and mixing it in with a tablespoon full of cinnamon. Alright? Alright, so I'm just gonna take my mixture. I'm going to sprinkle it all on here. Get it all in there. All right. Alright, so as you can see, I got it all spread on the inside of it. So make sure you got all the inside covered, alright? The next step will be, you take that, I'm going to take it and just roll it into a cylinder. Roll it tight, man. It's rolled tight, buddy. Alright? And then he's going to take the twine, he's going to tie this end and the other end, okay?
Got some scissors.
It's a cutter on there. See, that's the thing about sous chefs. You got to let them know. Pull the camera up, buddy. You got to let sous chefs know what to do, all right? He didn't even know it was a cutter on here. You got to tell him. Roll it tight. Then you get them to tie it on. Just like that, all right? So, I'm not going to bore you showing you to do the rest. All right? I'm not going to bore you with that. We'll come back and show you the next steps in a second. All right, so I'm down here in my Oklahoma Joe Bronco Pro. I got it dialed in at 250. I'm gonna lift the lid up, get these on, all right? Close that down, let it work its magic. It's gonna roll at 250, probably for about 2 or 3 hours, all right? And then I'm gonna come back and check on it, all right? I'm gonna show you the rest in a little bit. Make sure to stay tuned. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, knocking out these pork belly cinnamon rolls today. All right, so we're back, finishing up our episode on cinnamon roll pork belly. Hey, listen, learned a lot right here. I'm gonna grab one off. and we're gonna try it out. Okay? So I'm just gonna grab here. Set it down. I can see all of that syrup and everything, all of that goodness, alright? And it's still a little warm. We let them rest. Now I'm going to take a bite. Salty, a little sweet. That's what you want right there. Candy apple pork belly. Word brother style. Now, some of you might want your sauce a little thicker. So what you do is, when you do your reduction with the sauce, the recipe, you're going to let that cool down a little bit. Alright? And it'll thicken up. And then you can bring it out here and, you know, put it on, get it back on your smoker, let it go for about an hour. And then you'll have perfect pork belly cinnamon rolls. Alright? Thank you for tuning in to another episode. We really appreciate y'all for tuning in. We'll catch y'all the next time. Alright? Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. We out. Peace.